What is up, people? It's your boy Mighty Reds, and in this review we will test how to get FC Mobile points absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS devices, or even with your PC. So for a start, let's go to Google and let's search for this website. Go to this app, sneak.com. You will find it easily, guys. Search down below for FC Mobile. There we go. Click there, guys. It should load up and then we will enter our FC Mobile user ID. So if you don't know how to find your user ID, just click here. How to find it is pretty simple. I'll paste my user ID, click continue, guys, and it will start searching for our user account. So guys, you should get this user found. So there we go. Now we will select our FC Mobile points. I will select currently the maximum and click continue. So guys, after this, you will get this third step and API connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more and I will review more websites. So let's see what we'll get after this. And there we go. API is connected, our user account is connected, and now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. Just click I'm not a robot and let's see. There we go, guys. Our UID is connected and points are sent. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Nice. So now we're going to close this and we will open our FC Mobile game. So guys, before you get this verification successful page, if you're detected as a bot, you might be asked to complete 2 simple tasks from the list. Don't worry, because it's all free and safe and tasks are easy to complete. It won't take more than 2 minutes of your time. So just complete it, guys, and you will get redirected to this verification successful page with your user ID and your points sent. So after this, just close it, open your FC Mobile. Guys, it works for all versions of FC Mobile. I didn't update it for a while. And let's see what we'll get after this. It works literally for everything. Just enter your user ID. And still nothing. And oh my god, guys, look at this. We're actually getting our FC Mobile points. I cannot believe that it actually, after testing a lot of websites, it actually worked on appsneak.com. I'm so excited because I'm going to use my points and buy literally everything, guys. So that's pretty much it for this review. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.